Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. On this video we're going to look at the dollar yen today and why we were looking for long side trades as day traders this Monday morning. So we've got a 4-hour chart here of the dollar yen currency pair. We've got the pro trend system on our charts, and we've also got the storyteller, and it's the storyteller that I want to discuss with you this morning. So there is oversold and overbought, of course, and certainly this morning was an oversold situation on the dollar yen. Now the market, the price sold off very hard on Friday. Now what tends to happen here is if you get a big move the day before, as in a pretty steep drop here in the dollar yen, then you might see traders coming in this morning thinking, well, I've missed out on that move this morning, I want to short it again down here. Or if it was a long trade, they're looking for long side trades. But normally it's too late. Now you can see here the dollar yen this morning 138, as then that's Friday's price. Now Monday morning's price was around 139. We pushed back up to 140.20, 140.30 here. But it's the storyteller. Look at the storyteller. Now it's very oversold. It's extended. We call this mature. It's gone a long way. It's expanded. It's like an elastic band, isn't it? As it stretches, it can only go so far, then it snaps back in. But if I crunch the chart up here and just show you, every time, and you probably see the chart's gone pretty blurred here, and I've done that for a reason. Every time the storyteller gets too steep or too low down, then you get the reversion back to the mean. You get the reversion back to the mean. Now it could continue in the direction of the overall trend, which I think this will do. But you don't want to be short in something when the storyteller has peaked, has matured, because the likelihood of a bounce back is really high. Now, I suppose a lot of you more experienced traders will know this already, but for you guys that are beginners, don't short when something is extended, okay, like this. Now, especially in the Forex market, in individual stocks, US stocks, FTSE stocks, yeah, they will continue for a period of time. They tend to go and they continue to push higher or lower. But in FX, we tend to have that reversion back to the mean. So with the dollar yen here, this drop down on Friday, and then we look for this rally higher this morning. What we do is go down to the 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour chart here. Now, if I just scrunch the chart up a little bit, you'll look at the waves of the storyteller. You can see the market's come down here on Friday, nice drop. Then the storyteller peaks out here, or I should say matures. Then we get the yellow lines on the storyteller kicking in as price makes a new low. For us, that is an opportunity to get long this morning. Okay, so for a nice push higher here, nice profitable move higher. If I'm going to short this market, I'm going to be shorting it once it's had its move back up into this area here. All right, so as it moves into this reversion area here, back to the mean, I'll be looking, because price goes in waves, doesn't it? It doesn't go straight down and continue forever down. It has waves back up and then waves back down. You don't want to be getting into the trade as it's just getting to that mature area on the storyteller. Plus your risk reward is going to be much better. Where are you going to place your stop if you're shorting it here? Okay, a little move back is going to stop you out. So if you are getting stopped out of trades, just think about where you're entering, because is it at the mature area of a move, and then you get that reversion back to the mean, stopped out, then it goes in the direction that you originally got. The price has got to have that pullback. I don't see often prices just continue in one direction forever. They have waves, they have pullbacks, reversions, retracements, they're often called as well. Okay, so that was our long trade setups from this morning, and a very nice momentum move higher, and hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Always helps us grow our Trading College channel with our education, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye now.